Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of us struggle with, blackheads. But before we dive in, I have something really exciting to share with you. I want to introduce you to this amazing medicinal garden kit. It's perfect for anyone looking to grow their own natural remedies at home. Imagine having fresh herbs right at your fingertips to enhance your skincare routine and overall well-being. I'll tell you more about it later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Now, let's get started on how to keep those blackheads at bay. Did you know that a good night's sleep can significantly impact your skin health? It's true. Here are some tips on how to use your sleep routine to prevent blackheads. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. First, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, reducing stress and keeping your skin clear. Tip 2. Nighttime skincare routine. Always cleanse your face before bed to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. Follow it up with a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. Tip 3. Sleep on clean pillowcases. Your pillowcase can collect dirt, oil, and bacteria, which can transfer to your skin while you sleep. Make sure to change your pillowcases at least once a week to keep your sleeping environment clean. Tip 4. Reduce stress before bed. Stress can cause your skin to produce more oil, leading to blackheads. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like reading, meditating, or drinking herbal tea from your medicinal garden kit before bed to unwind and reduce stress. Herbs like chamomile and lavender can help you relax and improve your sleep quality.